you gonna come down for this? Or are you gonna hang out on the stairs, watch me like a creeper? Good girl. Hey everyone, welcome back. Don't knock my tripod over. Mira. Good girl. Welcome back everyone. I'm going to tell you about everything that went on in Duluth at the Motorhead Madness show. But first, there's a bunch of people I have to thank. One is to everyone who came to Lena's party and just made her, I don't know, feel so special and everything like that. It was really nice. Even though I only popped my head in there for a couple minutes, if really seconds, it was nice seeing all those eyeballs looking at me. Okay, so the next thing is, don't you knock it over. Everyone who came to the show, thank you. I'm sorry to Arco and Heidi how I had to leave. Well, I had to go to supper, but I wish I would have seen you there. Everyone who just came and saw. It was nice. It meant a lot to me that everyone showed up. One of the highlights of the weekend was meeting a new fellow hot rodder. His name is Kevin. I believe his last name is LeBlanc, from Hayward, Wisconsin. It's so very few times in life where you'll meet someone just like you, right? And it was comical, just meeting, like, I was excited, he was excited, I was excited, and it just was going up and up. And by far, that was the best part of the weekend, was meeting Kevin. I'm hoping that we'll get to cruise again, and I'm sure we'll be down by Hayward, Wisconsin, because that's where Lena's grandfather has got his cabin. So we'll be down there at some point, and we're going to come see you, Kevin. Okay, next thing would be, I got a bunch of packages when I was down there. I got them all set in right here. I'm going to open them all up, and I'll set up the camera differently just so you can watch me, all right? All right. I don't even know what's in, I know what's in one of these packages for sure. Here we go. So, I'm not going to lie to you guys anymore. I have got a leaking freeze plug in the car. Should I have fixed it? You damn right I should have. I got it running. It was fine for those few days. I looked under the car. The next day, drop of antifreeze. Immediately, I had a flashback to how many years ago when I got that motor, thinking, oh, I got to change your freeze plug. Yeah. Wasn't too happy. Anyways, freeze plugs. Gonna do that. So, that clutch and everything didn't bother me too much. I might put this in while I've got it out. It's just because the other one, these two little nipples right here, the other one, it kind of moves in and out of where it's supposed to be. But the distributor has to come apart, and it's totally fine. But I got another one just in case. Yeah. Oh, these are for my truck. Being up in Canada, these things rust bad. So now, whenever I try to take the tires off and on in the spring, things aren't friendly. Speedway. This is probably the worst packaged box I've ever got from Speedway. They're usually just beautifully packaged. Or taped up, boxed up. So a new water pump for the hot rod. I don't even know if I need it. When I was done that same day where I saw the antifreeze leak, I saw a drip underneath there. Well, I ran it a bunch of times past that. There was no leak anymore. So I'm thinking just because I hadn't used it in a while. But it's right here in my garage when I need one. This right here. I got the braided style on it right now. I would not recommend the braided style for this reason. Trying to get this back into this collet. You know, you tape it up, of course, like the instructions say, and then you cut it with the a wire or a cutoff wheel, right? So that it doesn't fray and go all out. Well, the thing mushrooms out anyways, and then you try to get it in there, it ain't gonna be your friend. So, I have no idea how I did it. By all these little slivers in my fingers. That's how I did it. Got it back in there, but if I have to touch it again, this hard one, those are the ones to get. Okay, next. Oh, I've got another one of these aluminum. Just because there's one on one side of the carb and the stock one that came on the other one, and if they're just missing by like a fraction of an inch, the carbs weren't opening up equal. I think it's fine the way they are now. New taillight. Just because I smashed that other one. This looks different. Oh, it's the right one. Okay, slip it to the side. Oh, new Speedway stickers. Okay, let's keep going. This is the last box and the most important. Pretty soon we're gonna hopefully get this going on there. Put that right there. Yeah. All right. So on that other clutch, it's the Borg & Beck style, so it's just got 3 fingers. This is called a diaphragm style. And on that Borg & Beck, with one of the 3 fingers, one off that with the release bearing, one is kinked just a little bit. So hopefully this will just bolt up nicely without any issues at all. And it's going to fit perfectly. And everything will be wonderful. That's what's going to happen. All right, who else I have to thank? These are pretty big ones too, was my mom and dad. For just hanging out with Lena, riding down, driving home. And my dad for always being there all the time. And, you know, driving down, doing everything, really. I just rode along. Thank you very much. Thank you. You know I love you. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Pretty soon, I'm gonna start taking this thing apart, and I might put a time lapse up just so you could watch me. All right, thanks for watching. You guys have a good week. See ya.